Hello everyone, Sam here from creativetrading.system.com, making this video as a daily recap. So let's get started. Yesterday I did the webinar and I showed a few setups in that, right, alongside with the recap of the whole like weekly, monthly charts of everything. So those setups were one of them was like pound Aussie, and this is the my setups are from 40-minute chart, and then I take the entries from either 7-minute and or 20-minute. So this was the chart pound Aussie 40 minutes gonna go down, and it did, and I got this trade coming down based on my system entry setup and from 7-minute chart. This is it came down here, nice beautiful entry, and my EA took the entry. CTS 7 automatically it takes the entry. When I make this 40-minute before chart, and if I have a reversal candle right then and there, I place my CTS 7 in that direction, either long only or short only, and leave it there. So as soon as this is all bullish, so you cannot open a short. So if I have it short only, it will open a short only after the reversal candle is in place. So this is the one that I took here. Now, same way I had this chart, the pound yen that is gonna go up from here to here early into the day. I had it here from bouncing from this area and going to 212 to 212, right? And what happened to this chart is this, and the trade is this. Same strategy, same system. The first one was pound Aussie to the downside. This is pound yen to the upside. Aussie was getting strong, so pound Aussie went down. Yen was getting weaker, so pound yen went up, right? But small trades, but something, right? Because Monday is always very slow, right? So the daily ranges are slow, small as well. And then the other one is the BT. Sorry, BTC means Bitcoin. So this is a chart I made that somewhere here we're going to be bouncing and going to 74,508. And exactly that's what happened, 74,508 touch. And see, my trade is still open. I took it right from here, from a smaller time frame, but I'm showing it here. Uh, and you can see here that, SL moved to break even plus, and then all the way from here to here. It's like almost 3,100 pip or points, whatever you call it. In the Bitcoin is different, right? But it went up to from 71,400 to 74,500. Let me see where it is right now. It is right now. You can see it here, and then looks like that it's gonna go even up. Now, my before chart actually on the 40-minute chart. Let me see if I can show you here. It was setup chart was from 40-minute. This is the one that I got. The trade. Okay. Okay, this was the chart. Main chart is like March 9th I made, saying that if this is wave 1, 2, then blue count wave 1, 2, followed by 3, 4, 5 to the upside, finishing this black wave 3 somewhere here. And so far we are here, right? You can see that. Let me see if I can. Yeah, so far we are right here. So from here to here, right? I had some small charts as well, but which I didn't record the chart. But this is the only one that I have. The first from the bottom, second, right from here, going to the upside. Anyway, so this is what the Bitcoin is doing, and more to come. So, simple as that, more to come. Now, another chart that I showed, pound USD, it's still underway. It started to bounce from here. And so far, let me see, I have not recorded the after chart because it's still going on. So it's right here somewhere. Let me show you. Pound USD, pound USD, pound USD is right there. No, not there. And goes up. Pound USD going long is right there, right? So a little more to come, at least, to the TL, then I'll record it. I record the chart. But yeah, so my small entries is still there, not enough to record. So I didn't record my trade. Still sitting on a break even, but very small. It's probably like 25, 30 pips so far. you know that, if it is less than 50, I don't even record the chart. I need, at least 50 plus pip trade so that I can record the chart to show. Smaller than that is just, peanuts. Here now it's now going, right? Pound USD. Now another chart that I made is pound USD, Elliott wave count, pound USD, and this euro USD, right? Elliott wave count both. And this is supposed to be bouncing from 1412. And right now, as we speak, it just bounced exactly from 1412. And so far, still it's underway right now. Still need to go a little more. So I didn't record this one as well, and I didn't even take the entry, to be honest with you. On this one, I hardly trade this, right? So all this put the fib here just to show that it is not only bouncing from five, wave five, because it was extension 161. I put this fib when I was doing one-on-one earlier, just to show that that's the reason that I did it, because it is the extension of 127. So this is what the price does most of the time, retracement, extension in the direction of the trend. So it's very easy if you understand and then take it from there. Now, what else? What else I had? Let me see if I have it here. In the Aussie yen. Aussie yen, I said, is going to be bouncing from here if we get a reversal candle on 40. So far, Aussie yen also not much, but it is going, and I don't think I have the entry on that. What happened to my... Okay, here. Aussie yen. See, it bounced, but not much so far, right? So yeah, if you pull the fib from the extension, it is like, for example, here, fib. So it is 61, 23, and 161. That's, in a harmonic pattern, we call a crab pattern. And then it dropped from there, nice and clean. So how much is the drop? So far, you can see that it dropped to, let's say, if we take it from here, so we touch 61% and bouncing. So it's not a rocket science. It's simple, mumbo jumbo of these Fibonacci numbers, right? It's just that you need to learn, in a bigger time frame, what is happening in a weekly chart and daily chart and how you look at it, and then apply this harmonic pattern and Elliott wave and this Fibonacci, and you'll get it. All right. So this is what else? What else? Let's see. That's about it, right? So now, do we have anything new? Not really. Like pound USD is still going, and Euro USD is still going to the upside. Aussie yen is still going to the upside. Now, pound yen went up, and then now currently it came down a little bit after hitting 212.12, and then kind of making a long setup on a 20-minute chart. So now it is time to get into the 20-minute entries now, because 7-minute came couple of the entries, and then, pound yen, Aussie yen, not Aussie yen, pound Aussie, right? And then now they're going to give the 20-minute entries. So hopefully today I will get these 20-minute entries of these pairs. Plus, remember, we have this calendar here, the Forex Factory calendar. And you can see here that this is what everybody is now waiting. And Aussie dollar cash rate, right, at 11:30 p.m. Eastern time. So after that, Aussie pairs, especially like my favorites, Euro Aussie and Pound Aussie, they're going to move, and Aussie yen and Aussie USD. I started to look into Aussie USD as well, because Aussie is getting very strong, and obviously, USD is messing around. So this is what the Aussie USD chart is, but I have not finished it yet. So I'm gonna be applying different things, SNR levels, this and that, and then start doing the analysis, because a lot of people trade this Aussie USD, right? So our Aussie USD and pound NUSI is also, now you can see here that how nicely it is setting up for a long, right? This is a nice, beautiful move. This is ABC sideways correction, beautiful. This you can say is like from here. This is like wave 1, 2, right? Now wave 3 need to come. So wave three will have 5 waves. So it's like we have 1, 2, 3, ABC, 4, 5. So we are getting set up 4 wave 5 to the upside. Very, very nice, clean Elliott wave count. I'll probably gonna make it this chart because it is a very good chart for teaching purposes. Elliott wave especially. So I have a couple of one-on-one tomorrows where I can show that. Okay, this is the current example. I like to give the current example. Teaching harmonic pattern or anything has to be current. For example, this one, you can see that it may end up making a Gertle pattern. Why? How? Because you can see here that you can see easily that this area is 61, then it goes up to, ideally it's 23%, but it went up a little bit more. But as long as it is below this high, you can count it. Point C and D need to be coming and touch 78, which probably it will. Right? So if it touch 78, it's a perfect by the book Gertle pattern. We call that, Gertle, harmonic pattern. So these patterns shows up again and again everywhere, different places. And I usually take, for example, here, excuse me, even if it doesn't come here and touch, but it is very close. So if I get a reversal candle, a bullish reversal candle, then I will be taking 7-minute short. Long. Right? It's good enough, right? Because it can be in Elliott wave perspective, it is a perfect ABC sideways correction, right? So if that's what it is, and it bounced from here, it give me the a reversal candle here, here, here. It doesn't matter. Even 88%, yeah, I'll look after that. After that, I'll look for entry, not before. Similarly, here, for example, it was a couple of red candles. I can't go long unless then I got this reversal candle and then this one blue candle started. I start looking the 7-minute long, and I should get it somewhere here, and then I write. This is this little dip here. That's a 20-minute entry, and then you write. This is how my system is. So, for example, here it started to go up, then came back, right? So maybe 7-minute SL hit with no loss, right? At break even, then it goes up, and here's the 20-minute entry, and then this is also 20-minute entry, and after that, all the way. This is how it is. So it's very simple. Yeah, so this is basically wanted to show that this is what's happening, and what else I can show here. Bitcoin we already discussed, and then daily USD, it was going up a little bit, but now this today it came down all, and it's making a like evening star, a candlestick formation. So this is not a very good chart because there is no numbers and all of that. I don't want to switch the profile right now. I'm going to leave it as it is, and we take it from there. So like I said, that from yesterday, some of these charts are still working on, and I'm waiting for the pound yen 20-minute entry. And probably my CTS already took it because I placed that CTS on the 20-minute computer where the 20-minute charts are, and it's probably going to bounce and go up, right? And then I'll wait for others to give me the entry. So this is it for now, for today. And remember that this is, let me see where the Bitcoin, see, yeah. So this one is, nicely going to the upside. We broke above this, and, this is wave 1, this is wave 2, and this will go for wave 3. All right. Gold video, a lot of people asking, so I'm going to make that video later on. I'm not getting enough time. Sorry about that, but I will try my best. All right. So this is it for now. If you like what you saw, you want to get the system, you want to learn from A to Z, go on my website, sign up for one-on-one, whatever. I, finished few over the weekend, so I still have room for few. All right. So this is it for now, and talk to you guys later.